Very simple design, entirely made from the wood. Just one hand, very simple mechanism. And for the power, it was just this stone. So you will have to pull it every 12 hours to have a correct height. And later on, this mechanism was improved, made from the metal, and we decided to put it in the wooden box, and this one, with a big front shield. So this is second generation, it's called shield clock. Now you have iron weight, and you have two hands. But for the first time, the cuckoo appears in the clock. And later on, some designers decided to put something else. With this one, you will not see the cuckoo, but something more interesting. So this is the most famous clock in the Black Forest, and it's called mother-in-law clock or Sasuma clock. You can see what could happen if you're not a good worker. And when the trains began to come to the Black Forest, we decided to make third generation. This one, it's called station clock. It has the shape of the old train station house and these little carvings like a railway tracks. Also, this is the first one that has these carvings. They are entirely handmade, and this is a lime wood or basswood. It's very traditional design that we have nowadays. So, to have a cuckoo clock, we'll need wooden casing like this one. We'll add some decorations, this one, and when you add a roof, you'll get a cuckoo clock. Yeah? Very simple. But we will need more parts. We'll need mechanism, this one. So it's made from stainless steel and the brass, so it will last for a very long time, 50, 60, maybe more years, who knows. But we'll need weights. So as the weights are connected with the mechanism, they will go down with the gravity, so they will power the mechanism, clock will be spinning, and we'll have a time. So we have two types of the weights. Small one, daily. In one day, or 24 hours, from the 6 feet high, they will reach the floor. And you'll have to wind it again. And the bigger ones, they will last for 8 days. So I will show you with the clock. As the cuckoo plays, or the clock, as it goes, you can see the weights are slowly going down, and all you have to do is just grab the chains, pull it up, and that's it. Also very simple. And for the cuckoo, we don't have a real bird, but we have these air bellows. So they act like a whistler, and when you play them together, you'll get cuckoo sound. For the smaller clocks, we'll use smaller bellows or baby cuckoo, and we'll need bigger bellows with a deeper sound for a bigger clock. And much deeper. And for the night time, when you want to go to sleep, you can put the cuckoo to sleep. You have a little switch on the side, just lift it up, and cuckoo is sleeping. In the morning, when you wake up, don't forget to wake up the cuckoo, hold the switch down, and cuckoo is awake. So that's the thing with mechanical ones. With the battery ones, you don't have to do it. You'll have a little light sensor on the side, so when there is no light in your room, cuckoo will automatically go to sleep. In the morning, when the sun is up, put the lights on, cuckoo will wake up. So all of these clocks, they have 2 years warranty with the service points all around the world, so you don't have to worry about nothing. 2 of them are in India, Mumbai and Bangalore, and these prices, they are all in euros with the local tax that you don't have to pay, so you'll get your tax refund. But you have to spend 50 euros or more to get your tax refund.
Thank you.
That would be all. Thank you for your attention. Enjoy the Black Forest.